Okay, so I'm here in my grubbies in Pittsburg, California today. I have a new listing. It's right here behind me. I'm gonna meet my contractors here in a minute. My painter's coming in, my carpenter's coming in. We're gonna fix this place up and I'm about to put it on the market. So it's not on the market yet, but if you're interested or you have a buyer, if you're an agent looking to have a buyer that's interested to move here to Pittsburgh, this is 4 bedrooms, a 2.5 bath, I believe. And let me just go show you inside real quick. Let's start the tour and let me show you all the special features of this home. Come check it out. Okay, so here's the front of the home. Like I said, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. What's cool about this home is actually on a corner lot here, and you know, all the grass here, all the maintenance in the front yard here is all taken care of by the HOA. HOA, I believe it's about $100 a month, I think. That's what they take care of here. So also look at the neighborhood here. The neighborhood actually is really nice because this is a gated community. You have to come in through the front gate. You can put your code in, of course, then you can just drive on in. And then that's why it's a pretty secure neighborhood since there's a gate there. But let's go inside and check out the home. So the floor plan is not an open floor plan, obviously. It's laid out a little differently, but it's kind of cool. So right here, as soon as you walk in, you got a pretty long foyer. You have, actually, this is the dining area because that's why the light's right over there. You put a table right here. But I guess it could also be like a living room if you want to do something like that. There is a little area here to eat as well, like a little bar area here. You could put some chairs under here for the kitchen area. But as soon as you walk in, then this is actually your family room. You got a fireplace. Fireplace works too. And the kitchen is pretty spacious. Like I said, you have a center island where you can actually use as a breakfast nook here, I guess. And a lot of places to lay out your stuff and cook around here. Cabinets are original, but they're looking in really good shape. Now we're gonna do some floor repair. That's the thing we're doing. We're gonna do some floor repair here. We're gonna give it all new paint. We gotta do all the stuff that's gonna be taken care of here. The owner has never lived here. It's actually a rental. So we're gonna do some cleaning up and then put it on the market when it's all ready to go. And that's the garage there, and a closet there. Here's the first bedroom here. So out of the 4 bedrooms, 1 bedroom is downstairs. Pretty cool if you have like a nanny, elderly parent, guest bedroom. Again, you can see the carpet, we're gonna do the whole carpet's gonna be replaced, both downstairs and upstairs. So that new carpet smell, okay? So this is the downstairs. Let's go upstairs. Now the full bath is right here as soon as you walk in. And then to the right, you actually have the first room. And it's a pretty nice size, and it has what I call a semi-walk-in closet. You can take like 1, 2, 3 steps. You're in the closet here for this room. The third bedroom, oh, before we go there, check this out. This is the laundry room upstairs, which is kind of cool. It's not downstairs in the garage, it's not downstairs at all. So as soon as you get done with your clothes, just put them away in the bedrooms here. And here's the third bedroom. No walk-in closet, but it's still pretty spacious. And then the actual master bedroom is very big. Okay, and you got a full bath here as well with his and her sinks, tub, shower, and check this out. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps walk-in closet. Like a little room in itself here. So you got a lot of clothes. You have no problem putting them in here. That's what's upstairs here in the master bed. All kinds of cool stuff. You get an alarm. It's not activated, of course. You also have central heat here as well. AC too. We'll see that in the backyard. So in fact, let's go back there right now. Oh, and here's another thing. This is a really high-tech thermostat there. I forgot what he called it, but that's also included, of course, with the home, and that's a nice little feature there. Backyard. Now, and it's a newer AC. We're gonna clean that out as well, make sure it works. You got a nice side yard here, along with the back end here. Like I said, it's not humongous, but it is nice for family gatherings, a little entertaining. You could put like a little gazebo here, maybe a little area to hang out and do a little barbecue type thing. And this is the backyard. So, oh, you know what? Another special feature. But wait, there's more. Check this out. As you come, let's go back towards the garage. okay? The garage, water heater is still in excellent condition, but one of the nice features of this home, you have the Tesla, I think it's solar panels and backup generator, I believe it is. I have to find out more about that. Don't quote me on that, but it does come with the house and it's not leased. It's paid for, that I know for sure. So that's a cool little feature there. And that's what we got. So again, it's a pre-market home. It's not on the market yet. I don't mind showing it. My seller's okay with taking primitive offers. We're gonna put it, we're looking for market value or better. I mean, it's not gonna come cheap. Like I said, new paint, new carpet, new this, new that, new everything. Clean the whole place up here, and it'll be a market value price. And if you're interested in seeing it before then, before I get all the traffic in here, before the open houses, think you might have an interest in buying this home, either come by, I'll give you a private touring, or private tour, or just call your agent, have them call me. Have your people call my people, and I'll show you the home.